Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to your own channel S2 classes, Subra Saraswati classes. So in today class, we are going to start our new chapter in organic chemistry, and the name of this chapter is amines. Someone is pronouncing it as amine, amine, whatever you pronunciate, you can pronunciate it as amines. First of all, you know that whenever I am writing NH3 lone pair over here, it is known as ammonia. It is known as ammonia. Suppose I am writing over here NH2 lone pair, to always there one H I have removed and R I have attached, so it is known as 1 degree amine. It is known as 1 degree amine. Suppose I have written over here NH and 2H will remove and 2R will come. 1R this side, 1R this side. Either these 2R should be same or this 2R should be different. R is the alkyl group. So this is known as 2 degree amines. This is known as 2 degree amines. And suppose I have written over here something like N with the lone pair, and every 3 side there should be R. So this should be R, this should be R dash, this should be R double dash. It means either all the R should be same or all the R should be different, and it is known as 3 degree amines. The first one is ammonia, second one is 1 degree amine, third one is 2 degree amine, and the next one we will have whenever we are writing N with that 1 R this side, 1 R this side, 1 R this side, and 1 R this side. All the 4 side there is a R. Because of that, this nitrogen gets positive charge, because we know that nitrogen has 4 bond. It means they will give their own lone pair of electron, and this is known as quaternary ammonium salt. Quaternary ammonium salt. So this is the introduction of this chapter, that this amines, this is known as ammonia, this is known as 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine, 3 degree amine, and this is known as quaternary ammonium salt. Now in this class we will try to complete the method of preparation of amines. This part, if you have to take the screenshot, you can take it. Now we are going to give the heading that is known as MOP of amines. MOP means M means methods, PO means of preparation, P means preparation. It means method of preparation of amines. And the first method of preparation of amines is known as, I am sliding the screen, so if you find it difficulty, you can go back and take the screenshot. Just try to understand everything. Trust me, you are going to be able to understand everything properly without any confusion. So over here, first method of preparation is known as reduction of nitro compound. It is known as reduction of nitro compounds. What happens in the reduction of nitro compounds? First of all, we will take nitrobenzene and we will take some reagent. That reagent convert nitro compound into aniline. I am not going to be little bit slow. I am just going to be fast, because I know you all are very much talented. Now over here I have taken over here nitrobenzene. Either you can react this nitrobenzene in presence of H2 hydrogen plus platinum catalyst or ETOH. Everyone knows that. What do you mean by ET? ET means ethane, C2H5OH. Or you can take Fe in presence of HCl, or you can take SN in presence of HCl. All this reagent, either this reagent will give H2, or this reagent will give H2, or this reagent will give H2, which means 2 hydrogen. That oxygen from here, O2 will removed, and the whole nitro compound is going to be converted into aniline compound. And this is the first method of preparation of aniline. 2 hydrogen will come over here, nitrogen is as it is. It means this is the first method for the preparation of aniline, and that is known as reduction of nitro compound. And this compound, especially the common name of this compound is aniline. So this is the first method of the preparation of amines from nitro compounds. Take the screenshot from here. I will take the screen smaller so you can take the screenshot directly. Taken. Now come to the second method, and whenever mechanism needed, I will write the mechanism also. So don't worry about that. Each and everything I will dictate. The second method of the preparation of amines is known as homonolysis of alkyl halide. It is known as homonolysis of alkyl halide. Homonolysis of alkyl halide. Only one thing important you have to know about that over here SN2 mechanism follows, and basic thing about SN2 mechanism that their rate is inversely proportional to steric hindrance. Their rate is inversely proportional to steric hindrance. It means in this case more is the steric hindrance, less is the rate of reaction, or less is the steric hindrance, more is the rate of reaction. So we know that in SN2 1 degree do very good, after that 2 degree, after that 3 degree. It means this is the one in which 1 degree is greater than 2 degrees greater than 3 degree. Now we are going to produce amines by using homonolysis of alkyl halide. By the homonolysis of alkyl halide, so it is saying that you will have to take the ammonia, and you know that ammonia has a lone pair of electron. If it will react, first I will write the reaction. If it will react with 1 mole of alkyl halide, and one important thing you have to know about that, over here the alkyl halide must be 1 degree because it is following SN2 mechanism. So it will going to be converted into NH2, and 1 R is attached over here, plus HX removed. Suppose in the same reaction I have taken over here 2 mole of Rx. So what happens from this case, you will get over here NH, and if you want to write something different like that, so you will write 2R will attach, and one side H we will have, and over here lone pair, plus 2 mole of HX will be going to be outside. It means if you take 1 degree of alkyl halide, then you will get 1 degree amines, and if you are going to take 2 mole of alkyl halide, you will get 2 degree amines. And now suppose you are going to react the same ammonia with 3 mole of alkyl halide. In every cases alkyl group should be 1 degree. So 3 mole, what happens, all the 3 hydrogen will remove and R will come over here, and you will get 3 mole of HX. And suppose this ammonia is going to react with 4 mole of Rx, then what happens, it will going to be converted into R over here, R over here, R over here, and R over here, and this will get positive sign. It means first you will get 1 degree amine, second you will get 2 degree amine, here you will get 3 degree amines, and here you will get quaternary ammonium salt. Getting my point or not getting it? If you want to take the screenshot, I am making the screen smaller. Now you can take the screenshot of this. Getting my point? Now we are going to see the mechanism over here. We are going to see the mechanism in homonolysis. What we are going to see? The mechanism in homonolysis. Mechanism of homonolysis. Mechanism of homonolysis. And like this, if I make the video like this, then I am thinking that I am able to complete the whole topic in very less period of time. In the mechanism, what we will have to take? We will have to take first ammonia, NH3, and over here we will have to take alkyl halide, and as this mechanism follows SN2, so this alkyl halide must be 1 degree. Now over here this alkyl halide, we know that electronegativity of X is more than electronegativity of carbon, so it will do the heterolytic fusion, or it is also known as cleavage. Heterolytic fusion, or it is also known as heterolytic cleavage. Now from here it R will get positive, X will get negative. This positive will attack over here, and what you will get, N3H is already there, and 1 R is coming over here, and in the plus X minus you will get this side. Now because of the coming of the R, nitrogen will get positive, and we already know about this, that positive charge on electronegative atom is less stable. Positive charge on electronegative atom is very less stable. Because of that, this nitrogen will take the electron from hydrogen, and from here what you will get, this X is waiting and hydrogen plus will remove, so minus HX going outside and you will get the product. And over here one lone pair come because of hydrogen, and one side H, one side H, and the another side R. Getting my point? This mechanism. Now if we will have 2 mole, so another 1 mole of Rx will come. Now again it will do the heterolytic fission, it will get negative, it will get positive. Now this positive is attacking on the lone pair of nitrogen. From here you will get NH, R, over here R. Now this nitrogen again get positive charge, again it will take the lone pair of electron from hydrogen, and one X minus is there, so that X minus react with it and became outside as HX, and you will get the final product as N, R over here, R over here, H over here, and lone pair of electron over here. Now again if it is going to be react with 1 mole of alkyl halide Rx, so you will get what? Again N, one side R, the second side R, third side R, and one side H. This nitrogen again get positive charge. Now it is taking the electron from here and it will remove the X is already there, so it will remove minus HX, and from here you will get N, R, 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 over here lone pair. So in the first step you will get what? In the first step you will get 1 degree, amines. In the second step you will get 2 degree, amines, and in the third step you will get 3 degree, amines. Now again Rx will come, and Rx again do the heterolytic fission, get negative, get positive, and over here you will get quaternary ammonium salt with nitrogen has a positive charge over there, nitrogen has a positive charge over there, and this is known as quaternary ammonium salt, quaternary ammonium salt, and X minus should be going outside. So what we have seen over here, that in the mechanism, first of all NH3 is there, 1 mole of Rx will attack, then R will attack on the lone pair of electron, because of that nitrogen get positive charge. Now nitrogen taking the electron from hydrogen, one hydrogen removed at HX, and you will get 1 degree amine. Now again 1 mole of Rx will attack, and you will get over here again a hydrogen will remove, and you will get 2 degree amine. Like that you have to understand the mechanism over here, what I am trying to dictate everyone. So this is all about the method of preparation of alkyl halide. The first method we have seen by using the reduction of nitro compound and homonolysis of alkyl halide, and this is the first day trial I am doing. So I will stop the video over here and uploading this video, that is preparation of amines by reduction of nitro compound and homonolysis of alkyl halide. If you like this video, then I will continue further. Getting my point? Just take the screenshot from here. I am just giving you. Everyone understanding what I am trying to say? Yes sir, yes sir, understanding. Write fast everything I have written over here. Taken mechanism, understand? No any problem? Is there any problem? Easy mechanism. Now I am going to stop the video over here. Bye, have a nice day, enjoy, take care, stay home, stay safe, and enjoy your life. Happy Dasara.